What is a demo account? A demo account is a practice version of an investing or trading account. It lets you explore a platform, place trades, and test strategies using virtual money instead of real cash. Everything looks and feels like the real thing. The only difference is that you're not risking your own money. Most trading and investing platforms, from big brokers to Forex and crypto apps, offer demo accounts for free. Why does it matter? For beginners, a demo account is a safe way to build confidence. You can learn how orders work, experiment with features, and practice reading price charts without worrying about losing money. Even experienced investors use demo accounts to test new strategies before committing real funds. It's like a flight simulator for investing. You get the full experience, but without the real-world consequences. Many platforms also make it easy to switch between demo and live accounts with a single button, so you can practice and then trade for real when you feel ready. Here's a simple example. Imagine you've just signed up to an investing platform and want to practice buying shares in Apple. In a demo account, you can buy £1,000 worth of Apple shares using virtual money, watch how the position moves, and even try selling later, all without touching your actual bank balance. If you make a mistake, you can learn from it without financial stress. What else should you know? Most demo accounts run in real time, meaning prices and market data are live, just like a genuine account. Some platforms, however, use slightly delayed data. Demo balances also tend to be generous, often £10,000 or more in virtual money, which can give a false sense of confidence, making large, risky trades that you might not take with your real savings. Some demo accounts last indefinitely, while others expire after 30 or 60 days, so it's worth checking before you get too comfortable. Demo accounts are particularly useful for learning order types, such as market versus limit orders, practicing the layout of a platform, and testing how you'd manage risk. But there's one important limitation: they don't fully capture the emotional side of investing. When real money is at stake, people often react differently. Nerves, excitement, or fear can influence decisions in ways a demo account can't replicate. To sum it all up, a demo account is a virtual practice space where you can explore an investing platform and test strategies risk-free. It's ideal for beginners learning the ropes and for experienced investors experimenting with ideas. Just remember, it's a learning tool, and while it can sharpen your skills, real-world trading will always feel different once your own money is on the line. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.